Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to do a short review or my first impression of the bag that I just purchased recently, and this is the Favorite PM. I want to share my thoughts about this bag with you guys and to those who's planning to get this bag as well. So I hope this video will be helpful, and let's get right into it. So I got the Favorite PM in Damier Ebene. I picked this canvas because I wear a lot of dark outfits most of the time, and I wear a lot of jeans. So I think this bag is perfect, especially as a crossbody. I don't have to worry about color transfer or water stain and stuff like that. So in the front, as you can see, there's these two Louis Vuitton logos. They are right side up, and this is a one continuous piece of canvas. So at the back, you can see they are upside down. And it has the magnetic closure, and you can see there's a few scratches on the bar. And so is the inside. And the interior is this beautiful red color, and right here you can see the Louis Vuitton Paris, and here you can see the date when this handbag made, and this is made 17 weeks of 2015. I don't see any cracking of the canvas or fades of the canvas. Maybe like a little bit right here, but I don't mind that. And so as the other side. And the strap, I've seen on the picture, it has a tiny damage right here, and so there's this part of the strap. So you got this strap that gives you an option for a shoulder bag, and then you can take this off. It's a clip here. The hardware is still, they are still perfect. And the other side is, get the other side off. So here you can take the strap off if you want to wear it. So it's this side if you want to wear it as a clutch. You can leave this hanging like this, or you can put this inside beautiful. So I love wearing this bag as a crossbody. So I've been wanting this beautiful bag for a while now, and every time I go to Louis Vuitton site, they always out of stock or they don't have it in at the moment. But then they finally told me that they're not gonna get the bag anymore, and because they discontinued making it. So I've searched online and I've seen a lot of them pre-owned, but I was surprised of their pricing because they are a little bit higher compare if you're getting it from the store or the Louis Vuitton site. So I'm kind of back and forth because of that reason, but since they're not gonna get it anymore from the store, and I decided to get it anyway because I just love this bag and I want it so bad. I purchased this bag around I think it's $895 to be exact from Fashion File, and yeah, I'm just happy that I have it now. And I'm not really a crossbody person because I like handbags or top handle bags, but I enjoy this bag so much. So I think for me that this print is the perfect print for any occasion and any outfit. So yeah, here is my quick review of this bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this video is helpful for some of you who wants to purchase this bag as well. And here's my quick review and my first impression of this bag. Thank you for watching.